This is a new listing and it is so cute. And the neighborhood is wonderful. It's a one loop street. It's not a through street, it's like a loop. And it's just over 1,800 square feet. And it's so cute. I'm good, I'm just doing a walkthrough. And so, Andrew, say hello, Andrew.
Good morning, everybody.
It's Andrew Medina with Twins Media. He's doing the photography. And I love, like, it has such good space. It's a 3-bedroom. 2-bath home, but it just has really neat features. Very spacious bedrooms, you'll see in a moment. Right here, the guest rooms are split from the primary. And look, you have 2 full beds in here. And a closet. And most of the furniture can remain with the home, depending on the offer. Nice ceilings. Another very big bedroom. Nice entryway. In the backyard. Just look out at the pool. Awesome kitchen. Dining nook. This table can remain if you want it. Wonderful kitchen. Alarm. And the pantry, laundry area is in here, and the puppies are in there, so I'm not letting them out yet. I'll show you in a little bit. New appliances. That ceiling. Wow. Nice big bedroom on the back of the house. And once again, another linen closet here and a hamper. More cabinet space here. Very big bedroom. Nice walk-in closet. It's hard to see, I know, but nice walk-in closet. And this is a big space over here. Perfect place for a desk or armoires, or whatever you say. Hello, my turn to go out back. And a brand new pool. And outdoor furniture can convey saltwater pool. The tanning ledge. And perfect size little grassy area for the puppies, or a playground, or whatever you want. Tanning ledge. Almost forgot the laundry area and very nice pantry. Brand new appliances.